मैं वीडियो करूँ या नहीं? So parents are obviously going to watch this. I like to agree to that. ही मन किया चल पीते हैं ऐसे नहीं. I've tried a lot to style this, but appreciate. तो घुमाया मैंने क्वेश्चन को. Almost the whole school knew me. You are a virgin. Yes, mom and dad, I don't smoke. There should be some limit to experimenting with your life. Thank you. I got this a lot. You are rich. Are equally dhasu for me. Touch wood. I can go इधर से उधर. That's what YouTubers do. I have had many assumptions like it's complicated. कल को जाएगा ही नहीं और फिर मेरा खुद का ही जो मैं प्लान की. That is what the whole video is going to be about. So yeah, let's start with the assumptions. I put this story on Instagram and to ask all assumptions about me and my life. And I have had many assumptions like, so I decided to choose randomly. I'm very excited for this video. So let's start. It's going to be really very fun because y'all are going to assume what my life is and y'all are going to let me know what your assumptions are and I'm going to clear your assumptions because that's what YouTubers do. They clear assumptions about themselves. So let's do this. Let's start with the assumptions. So the first assumption is I know that my parents will watch this video because they have started watching all of my videos now. So you love your friends more than your family. You wait, mom and dad, this is an assumption. So I'd like to clear this. No, I can't choose between them because they both are equally important to me. कैसे आंसर कर रही हूँ मैं? समझ रहा है ना तुम लोग मेरे को क्या बोलने का? My family is थोड़ा सा more important to me because they feed me. No, I love them. You can't compare your friends and your family, yeah. They both have different spots in your life. Can't live with my family. Live without my family, sorry. I can't live without my family. So they both are equally important to me. So I took this assumption सबसे पहले because अगर आगे जाके कुछ ऐसा वैसा assumption होगा तो I hope they don't find because this assumption was about you and this was for you. So I hope you are happy now and leave from this video because I have to do something so that I get views. So you are super cute. Thank you. तो ऐसे अगले 2-3 ऐसे रखूँगी मैं. If my parents are watching, you still have time to leave. मैं हकल नहीं रही हो, देखना है तो देख लो but just don't. वो लोग अभी स्टार्ट किए मेरा चैनल देखना. So okay, you are super cute. Thank you. Assumption में क्यों लिखा है ये सब? I don't stalk people. I don't care what is going on in their life. If that's what you mean. No, I don't think I'm a stalker. इतना explanation क्यों दे रही हूँ मैं? Oh, this whole video is about explaining myself. So no, I don't think I'm a stalker. So the next one is you are a very kind person. Thank you. I got this a lot that I'm a very kind person. Thanks. You are an introvert. No, I don't think I'm an introvert. I talk a lot with the people I am close to. I can go and talk to strangers, so I don't think I'm an introvert. No, I'm not an introvert. The person who has written this, I started talking to him ऐसे ही randomly, so you can't say that I'm an introvert. And freely, हाँ, we talked freely. ऐसे नहीं है कि पूरा ऐसे awkward वगैरह. नहीं, ऐसे क्यों लिखा है तुमने? ठीक है, if you feel that I'm an introvert, no, I'm not an introvert. But I don't think that I'm an introvert, but I choose my friends wisely and I don't go and talk to random. I go and talk to random people, but I don't be friends with them. Bus hi, hello, or if I need something from them, bus. I do hang out. It's complicated. I'm an ambivert. I'm not an introvert. Like I can talk to strangers. I'm an ambivert. I'm not an introvert. You are rich. I got this from. Why? लाइट चली गई. इन्वर्टर चालू है बट एक लाइट कम हो गया. So you are rich. I got this a lot that you are rich. I think that being rich is a lot relative. My hair is not cooperating today. Okay, so I got this a lot that you are rich. I feel that being rich is a very relative thing. Like obviously हम लोग अंबानी के बच्चे नहीं है जो हम लोग ऐसे बोलते फिरे that we are rich. But we'll cut that part. We'll cut that part. All I can say is that I touch wood. And touch wood, I have got everything that I want in my life. I'll not say easily, but I have everything that I want in my life. That's all that I can say. If that's rich for you, I guess then I am rich. कैसे आंसर कर रही हूँ मैं क्वेश्चंस पूरा घुमा फिरा के. अच्छा, you don't know how to swim. Actually, I know how to swim. Like ऐसे नहीं है कि मेरे को सब आता है. मेरे को अंडर वाटर वगैरह नहीं आता है. But I can swim like a pool. All I can say is I can go इधर से उधर स्विमिंग पूल में without a floater. So yeah, so I can swim. I think अभी मैं 3 सालों से स्विमिंग नहीं की हूँ, but स्विमिंग भूलते नहीं अपन. The next assumption is you are very adventurous. I'd like to say yes, I am adventurous, but no buts. I am adventurous. मेरे लाइफ में बहुत एडवेंचर्स है. Like बहुत सारे है. I'll make another video about that. But हाँ है मेरे लाइफ में adventures and I can't live without them. Yeah, who can live without adventures in their life? रोज का बोरिंग रूटीन थोड़ा तो एडवेंचर होना ही चाहिए लाइफ में. बट मेरे लाइफ में बहुत है. ओके, सो रेन्स ओवर समर. इट्स रेनिंग अभी भी. आई शो यू थोड़ा टाइम. रेन्स ओवर समर. नो, like rains also are like summers also, so no, I can't compare them. Both are equally dhasu for me. I can't compare two things which have their own uniqueness. Like no, you can't. So okay, so the has become so frizzy. So the next assumption is that I drink. Yes, I drink. I had warned you, mom and dad, you all should have left by now, but they know. So yes, I drink, but I drink very occasionally. If there's some occasion or something, that's the only time when I drink. ऐसे ही मन किया चल पीते हैं ऐसे नहीं. इफ़ आई फील लाइक ड्रिंकिंग आई ड्रिंक उसी टाइम पे. एंड ऑल्सो विथ माई क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. लाइक इफ दे से कि चलो पीने चलते हैं तो उनके साथ इट्स ओके. माई फ्रेंड जस्ट मैसेज मी कॉल उठाना. इट्स सो क्यूट. अब इसको कॉल करके बोलूँगी मैं कि I'm shooting a video for y'all and उसका assumption अब भी just हुआ थोड़ी देर पहले. You like to take risks and experiment with your life. Yes. As I said, my whole life is experiment. I experiment with my life ऐसे कभी भी. ये देखो. I colored my hair because I'm going to color my hair तभी भी. So I wanted to experiment उससे पहले कुछ तो करके बालों के साथ. And उसकी वजह से मेरे बाल बहुत डैमेज हो गए. शायद डैमेज नहीं हुआ है बट ऐसे ही थे पहले. बट जब वो लंबे थे तब दे यूज्ड टू लुक सिल्की बिकॉज वो वेट की वजह से सब ऐसे नीचे आ जाता था. येस, आई लाइक टू टेक रिस्क एंड आई एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ माई लाइफ अलॉट. एक्सपेरिमेंट के बिना लाइफ ही क्या है. You love smoking and getting high. No, I don't smoke. Even you all shouldn't. Smoking is not good for health. No, I don't smoke, yeah, please. Y'all, how can you all assume that I smoke? I don't smoke. Yes, mom and dad, I don't smoke. This whole video is dedicated to my mom and dad. Okay. Your parents are strict, so another assumption about my parents. Your parents are strict. No, my parents are not strict. If they might have been strict, मैं ऐसे वीडियो नहीं कर रही रहती. They are not strict. I'm shooting in the room और क्या चाहिए? They just have their rules which are not meant to be broken. Which is fine, I guess. There should be some limit to experimenting with your life. That is where the line is drawn. You don't like doing makeup. I'd like to say that I don't know how to do makeup. But there's nothing like I have grudges with the people who do makeup. No. So the next assumption is you are very intelligent. You were popular in school. In school, it was like many people knew me, but I had very few, not few, I had not very few, but I had quite a lot of friends, quite a lot of close friends, but so what was the assumption? You were popular in school. Almost the whole school knew me. So yeah, I'd like to say that I guess I was popular in school. Yes, I was popular in school. You don't like drama. Huh? You don't like drama. Yeah, I don't like drama in my life. I don't like a lot of drama in my life. I like to keep it simple. Like, if this is how it is, I know that it should be done like that. ऐसे फालतू का ड्रामा वगैरह नो, ऐसे नहीं चलता. ऐसे चाहिए भी नहीं लाइफ में यार, बहुत कुछ है लाइफ में करने की. You create a lot of drama in your life. No. I have a lot of drama going on in my life, but that doesn't mean that I created that drama in my life. मेरा कभी इंटेंशन नहीं रहता ड्रामा क्रिएट करने का. You are single. Are you single? You are single. Okay, this is an assumption. You are single. So yes, I am single. सोच रही क्यों है? इसका तो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर है. Yes, I am single. You are secretly dating. ऐसे एक के बाद एक ऐसे questions. No, I'm not secretly dating. If I would have been secretly dating, मैं ऐसे सबके सामने बोलूँगी थोड़ी. But no, I'm not dating anyone. तो घुमाया मैंने क्वेश्चन को. You never take stress. वैसे मेरी लाइफ में दुख बहुत कम है, बट जो है मैं उसका स्ट्रेस बहुत लेती हूँ. सो और वो पार्ट जो है मेरे लाइफ का जिसके बारे में मैं स्ट्रेस लेती हूँ, वो स्ट्रेसफुल पार्ट मेरे लाइफ का 4-5 सालों से वो पार्ट इज़ द मोस्ट स्ट्रेसफुल पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. सो या इतना मैं भावनाओं के साथ बह गई. ओके. None would like to know you better though. Thanks. This girl is really sweet. She's a very good friend of mine. Like, we became close in quarantine, so yeah. That's why she's saying that she would like to know me better. You spend a lot of money. I don't spend a lot of money. I spend money whenever I need on the things that I feel that are important in my life. Like, I don't spend a lot of money. You are a very kind person. Thanks. I hope this is not an assumption. I guess you really feel that I am a very kind person. I like to agree to that. Okay, so this is the last assumption. You are a person. Okay. So these were the assumptions, and I guess I have cleared most of the assumptions that you all had about me. I've got the roots in my heart. So I've tried a lot to style this. You better appreciate. मैं ये वीडियो करूँ या नहीं? Because your parents are obviously going to watch this. As always, I've done a lot of setup for you. This is the most I can do for the background to make my background a bit more aesthetic. बीच से चालू हो गया ना, इधर ही जाके गिर रहा है वो लाइट. रो दूंगी मैं अभी.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl.